Whenever you're using a crypto protocol that gives out rewards, you should be asking the question, where are the rewards coming from? So in Stoke Fire, you can see here that we've distributed 62 ETH, or that's around 203,000 US dollars to the players of the game. So where are these rewards coming from? That's the question we should be asking. First off, I'll say definitely check out this Dune. This is a Dune that covers everything Stoke Fire, has all the stats, everything that's on chain. A couple quick things that is, pretty cool. You can see how many villages we have, 2,665. We've had almost 4,000 lifetime players. You can see the active players. This is every day how many players are playing the game. So around 2,500 that are daily playing the game. And then you can see the villages that have been minted on the different days. You can see that more villages have been minted or not. And then you can also see some of the tokenomics kind of stuff that we're going to talk about here, like the amount of the token, the fire token that has been burned, amount of rewards, and things like that. I want to give a shout out to FriendPet because it is a game, the first game that used this kind of token and reward model. And so Stokefire forked that token and reward model, and I really like it. And so how it kind of works is we have our fire token, and 2% of the volume goes to the village owners, and it's distributed to the village owners based on your village score. So the higher your score, the higher percentage of the rewards that you'll receive. And so let's just jump over to the fire chart here real quick, just so you can see kind of how this works and understand it. Because these bars here, these are volume. And so obviously from day to day, sometimes our volumes are a lot higher than other days. And obviously crypto is very volatile. But yeah, we have these volumes. And so you can see, for example, this number, 50K volume, this has been in the last 24 hours. That's how much we've had. So that means if we're taking 2% of that, that means $1,000 about has been then distributed to the village owners today. And then obviously, it's changed over time. There's been days where we've had like $1 million of volume or less and things like that. So that's the one thing that I think is good to understand with this model is that it's something that is kind of changing. Tokens are volatile. The amount of volume that we have going around is volatile. And so you might get some rewards on another day and then more rewards on another day. And just kind of knowing that it takes time for those rewards to come in. But I think the other thing that I really like about this rewards model is that all of your rewards are coming to you in ETH. They're not coming in our volatile fire token. Obviously, fire is a small cap token, so it's going to be more volatile. But all your rewards are actually in ETH because that 2% is then sold to ETH and then distributed to you. And you're holding that in your village. And also kind of how it works is that you're not able to redeem those rewards until you reset your village back to zero. So there's kind of an incentive to keep building your village, keep growing it, because ideally it's a valuable village that you're getting rewards from. So the other part of this model, this token model, is that all of the fire tokens that are being used in game are burned. So you have to spend some fire tokens to soak the fire. You can spend some fire tokens to speed up gathering and things like that. And so far we're close to have burning about 3.5% of the total supply of fire by players. And so the reason for this is this adds some speculation that will make speculators maybe want to go buy the fire token because they know players, and the more players that there are, the more burning that there is, the more deflationary that token is. So we're throwing away this 3.5% of the supply, which ideally is making the rest of the supply more valuable. It's kind of creating this flywheel where speculators might want to go speculate on the token, give us more volumes, which creates more rewards for the players, which then players, hopefully more players want to come and play this game and have fun playing this game. So that's kind of the whole idea. What I really like about this model is that it doesn't require us to create a token that is inflating away. A lot of other games in the past, they have a token and they're inflating the token and giving some of those tokens to the players. And so I really like this model because we're not having to do that. We have a deflationary token where the supply is getting smaller over time, and we're not having to just mint more. And I really like that the rewards are all in ETH because ETH is a blue chip asset. We all know about ETH. We use ETH every day. We like ETH. Okay, so hopefully that helps kind of clear this up, make this all make sense, and go check out the Stoke Fire dashboard to see all the on-chain data. Let me know if you have any questions about this.